OC.
Putay na, wala akong kahit anong mark.
Step up, ditang, step up, ditang, step up. They're going southwest side, I think. Yo, one ditang southwest. One ditang go southwest. Actually, go southwest with me.
Ha?
One ditang go southwest.
Hindi kaya man yan. Hindi, wag, sige.
They're 26, soul
Saan ka
side.
Sino yan?
Walking southwest side.
Party 2? Ano gamit mo?
Walking southwest. They're mounting up again. They're mounting up again. They're mounting again.
Wag,
They're mounting.
locus ka. Kailangan mo yan. Kailangan ka dyan.
Pang ano lang siya.
Pwede ka mag southeast ka nga Wanit. Ako mag southwest. Yo, may Zerg come southwest. May Zerg come southwest. May Zerg come southwest. Then we go from there. Fully dismounted northwest side Wanit. Fully dismounted. King Just nandito.
BMS yan, di ba? Mga DN.
King Just caller. King Just main caller. Careful by the gate. Careful boys. Careful, hold.
Ayan na.
Get ready to headbutt boys ah. Wait, holding.
Guard
Full check
rune,
OC if you
guard
haven't
rune,
boys.
guard
Full check
rune,
OC if you
guard
want. Careful in front. Careful, heal your boys. Ditangs, careful. Silence paddle on the gate. Guard runes in front. Careful boys.
Okay.
Holding. Just holding.
Guard rune lang.
Just holding.
Okay, may guard rune na ako. May guard rune na ako. After niya
Shaper
mag-drop
bomb,
ako.
best.
Shaper bomb as
Okay,
well. Be
dropping ako
careful.
guard rune.
Shaper bomb. 8-3 shaper. Careful on the gate. Careful. Just holding.
City mo na yung ano mo. Root mo.
Ito yung minimum ko pala.
Shaper wailing in bewailing.
Okay.
Yun ba ang nakikita ko?
Dropping. Guard rune meron. Okay, nice one.
Careful.
Left.
Bewailing. Careful on the gate. Careful. Good job.
Dropping next.
Good job. Careful, Billy J. Careful. You're engaging on the gate now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Hit on the gate. Clerical. Go back. Careful, def. Demon. Good job. Alright, just hold. Alright, just
South the
hold.
wailing south.
10 seconds ako.
Southside wailing,
Dropping
careful.
guard rune ulit.
Ditang sa loob na.
Me
Careful
too. I'm
sa
dropping
ano.
on the...
Might be shaper. Keep me updated sa castle 50%, alright. Hold. Just holding. Yo, Ditang, ano nyo? I-challenge nyo yung silence paddle sa gate. Silence paddle on the gate. Challenge. Careful. Ready guard runes nandun in front natin ha. Careful
Drop ako guard rune. Nag-drop ako.
Just be careful.
Dropping next.
Careful. Be
Sige,
careful.
Next.
Be careful.
guard rune.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, I'm faking boys.
50%
Wait, careful. Careful, yep. Wait.
Pakahit ba tayo?
I'm faking.
Ready demon lang. Ang fake. Okay.
Wait, holding.
Kapal.
Careful. Just,
Walang
you can,
damage.
it's nothing.
Ako naman to sa GM mo yung bomber.
Just one more.
Attacking hindi siya.
Uy, gago!
Careful, oh my
Patay ka. Tap ka.
god.
No kusul.
Shaper, why are we dying?
Gago. Bilis.
Alright, hold.
Bilis ko.
Yeah, careful on the gate. Careful.
Person
gate,
Almost just careful. Yo, on the gate, boys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. This is massive. This is big. Nice kill. Good job. There you have it. Good job. Muntik na si King Just. Gago, piso. Careful, just hold. Careful.
5 seconds ako.
Careful. Just hold. No need to panic. Just hold. Just spread there. Careful, shallow.
Wala pa
Ditas, get
tayo.
ready to stop them. Holding. 5 seconds we have. Yeah, 5 seconds we have. Careful.
Di mo na.
Careful on the gate, Careful on the choke, boys. Careful Shaper. Shaper hitting. West side, YD. Careful. Get ready to headbutt. Get ready to counter for everyone. Get ready, your boys. Get ready. Wait. Careful, bomb. Careful, boys. Careful. Yep. Shaper hitting. Careful. Just hold. You have your gigs, right? DPS, do you have gigs? DPS, do you have gigs?
Ready, Demon.
Yes. Be ready.
Alright, just hold
3
for now.
seconds ako. Okay, ready
Just hold for now. Get ready to gigs when I say, boys, okay? Just trust me, okay? When I say, okay, just hold.
Guard rune lang yung
Just
front.
hold. Just hold. Careful. Bomb. Careful. Oh my god. I told you which work. Def. Careful. You pass now, defense. Pass. Walking. Wait. Holding. Careful. Get ready to hit on the gate, boys. Wait. On the gate, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now, 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 on the gate now. Come on, spread now, spread now, spread now. Def.
Just pop
Clear,
mo,
clear,
just
keep you up,
pop
clear,
mo
keep
na.
you up.
Okay.
Step, come inside, 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 come inside. Safe for eating, careful front. Safe, come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside. Come inside, come inside. Hold there.
Look at side.
Cozy, magano ka na, mag-respond ka na, Cozy. Holding here. Heal. Full heals, holding here.
Okay.
Careful over the wall, careful over the wall, careful. Oh my, heal front, heal your boys, heal your boys, heal your boys. Just hold here, just hold here,
Guard
just
ron
hold
na
here.
left, guard ron.
Yup, papasokin natin, yup.
Guard ron na.
Come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside, come inside. Come inside, come inside, come inside. Come inside, come inside. Tangin ako, nakakahit tayo dito, manit. Ubus-ubus to, gago. Step up now, step up now, step up now, step up now, step up now. Step up now, step up now. Are they going southeast?
Southeast.
Alright, come southeast side, come southeast. They're going southeast, man. Alright. Popper boots, go southeast, go southeast, go
5%
southeast.
gate, 5% gate, 5% gate. Careful kayo.
5% yung gate. 5%. Go second floor, go second floor.
Basag na,
Alright.
basag na, basag.
Alright, wait. Come inside, come inside. Careful shallow, careful shallow.
Hindi kayo umikot.
Careful shallow. Careful shallow. Careful shallow. Just wrap around if you're... Careful they look. Careful. Careful. Be careful, boys. Careful, they're looking over the wall. Careful over the wall.
Ay.
Careful over the wall southeast. Careful southeast over the wall, boys.
Dropping guard
Careful
dun
southeast
sa-
over the wall.
Okay,
Careful,
guard ron na left
careful.
ako.
May tax.
Eh na, sige, okay lang.
Alright. Come
Windress
more.
nila, meron dami
Come
sa
more,
windress
come
nila.
more, come more, come more, come more.
Sarap.
Come more, boys. Come more, Mark. Come more.
Trigger.
Go kanan room, go kanan room.
Yung bomb rapid lang southwest ha. Yung bomb rapid lang
Yeah,
southwest.
careful southwest side ah. Yo, ano ka? One watching nga southwest side ko. Baka may bomb pa rin naman lingkod sa atin dito sa west side ko ha. Be careful.
Binobong pa nila southeast.
Alright, careful southeast over the wall, boys. Careful southeast over the wall ha. Careful. Careful bombs ha. Kaya nila binubok yan para may room yung bomb nila. Yo, hit your ano.
Shaper.
Careful, shaper.
Namatay pa rin.
Just hold here. Stay away from the walls, boys. Stay away from the walls. They have a lot of bombs. Just holding here.
15 seconds, demon.
May
Just
demon.
holding here.
Too many BS.
Just holding here.
Yeah,
Careful over the wall.
Shaper.
Careful,
Ah,
shaper.
Kisaki.
Oh my god, Kisaki. Bam. Careful, bam. Direction. Bam. Pass. Iwan na natin yung bam, guys. Bam.
Ilan yan?
Careful.
Sorry.
Oh, just hold. We're still alive. Careful. Yo, boys, step up nga. Yo, pop your boots nga. Faking on the gate. Faking. Holding. Yo, engaging on the gate now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, 2. One on the gate now. Hit. Go back. Careful.
Hindi man ako sa may gate.
Careful ano. Yo, careful southeast. Careful east side. Yung in ba ma? In wailing. Careful. Just be careful.
Nasa lord room na sila,
Yeah, just let them. Lord Doom na, sige, just let them. Stay away. Just hold there. Just hold, careful. Nag-in wailing. Oh my god. Still dying in wailing.
Doon ulit kayo
Just
guys.
hold. I told you boys, be careful. Pina-farm kayo. Just hold.
Yo, ignore the loot.
Just hold.
20% gate.
May
Yeah,
south side,
just hold.
west side.
Careful soul side. They might hit west side. Careful lang. They look. Careful shallow. Ditang hold them. Careful depth. Be careful. Come east now. Walk east now. Step up east. Careful shallow. They look. Yo boys, find the crown. Find the crown. Come east. Wait, holding here. Yo, kita nyo yung carpet, boys. Yo, wait. Holding. Yo, engage yung carpet now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on the carpet now. Big. Hit the carpet. Then you spread and burst. Spread. Def. Demon. Clerics.
Shaper.
Spread here. Spread in the cannon room. Go to the cannon room, boys. Go to the cannon room. Go cannon room. Don't run, boys. Go cannon room. Okay, oh my god. Just run.
Yeah, may distress na si Marcio.
Run.
GG, tangina. 5 shaper? 4? 3.
Ang bigat ko. Wala, ang bigat.
Just run, boys. Just run, boys. Careful. Just run. Just be alive.
Regearable ba yung T10 na ano, Demon Armor?
Just be alive.
Alin,
Takbo. Fathering. Putang ina mo na J pa ako.
May daanan sa Avalanche Ravine ah. Papuntang Ultra sa
Just go, just go, just go.
Putang ina mo kapal din dyan.
Baka ewan ko lang kung anong sa Ricker dyan.
Sayang.
Oo.
Si King Just laging piso.
Tapos
Wala one tap siguro natin si King Just.
Gagi. Dapat di mo natin dun 10 eh.
Kaya nga eh. Laging piso si King Just eh.
4 lang yung demon pala natin, 4 lang.
Dami nun. Hindi natin kaya deplat yun.
Alright, just stay alive boys. Just go. Arbak if you can.
Ay, nang dami.
Ang ina, T10 sila.
Ng clericals
T10
nga.
lahat.
Kaya nga. Di nagpop-up ng clericals yung iba. May mga clerics kayo dun boys. Yung iba di nagpop-up, nakikita ko.
T10 enemy, G.